So hello all, welcome to Shri Purna. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sivaji Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable and reasonable price ranges. Okay. So today I have some pure cotton dress materials. Okay. All of them are priced at 480 rupees, 480 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per order. So you have to calculate as like the total product cost plus the total shipping charges plus 100 rupees per order. Okay. Per order means you can have any number of products in that order. Okay. For COD per order 100 rupees you have to calculate extra. Okay, not per product. Okay, so I'll go with this dress materials. Okay, all of them are unstitched dress materials and all of them are measuring with 2 meters. Okay, the top, bottom and dupatta, everything is 2 meter. The top and the bottom are pure cotton and the dupatta is a pure malmal cotton. All of them are very soft fabric and all of them are printed. So I will go with the dress materials now. Okay. So this is the top. Okay, so this is the top. It's a beige with green color. Okay, it's not blue, it's green. Okay, it's a beige with green color. You have the printed like this, and the pant is also having a small printing. Okay, it's a green, it's a beige with green combination, and the dupatta is a malmal cotton. And you have a very lovely printing in the dupatta as also. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, so the fabric of the dupatta is a malmal cotton. The top and the bottom is a pure cotton with printing. Okay, so this is the first set. This is how the dress material will be looking. This is a beige with green combination. The top, bottom, everything is a pure cotton and the dupatta is a malmal cotton. All of them a measurement is 2 meters, priced at 480 rupees. The quality will be very good. The quality is very good. Okay, the bottom will also have printing in most of the dress materials. Okay, so this is the first set, priced at 480 rupees. Shipping charges extra. Okay. The top, front and bottom both is printed in the top. Okay. So this is the next one. It's a grass green color with maroon shade. Okay, it's a lemongrass color. And this is how the dress material will be looking. The fabric will be very soft. Okay, very smooth and comfortable. Okay, so this is the top. It's a lemongrass. This is how the printing will be there. Okay, it's a match with the brown color, maroon shaded bottom. Okay, you have just a small lines here in the bottom. Okay, black color lines here in the bottom, and in the top you have the printing like this. The borders will be coming in one end. You can keep it for the sleeve or just the bottom, whatever the way you wish. Okay, and it's paired with the dupatta like this. Okay, so it's a malmal cotton dupatta. It's a malmal cotton dupatta. You have a pink with brown shade design in the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. All of them are pure cotton dress materials. The top and the bottom is a pure cotton. It's a lemongrass with maroon bottom and the pink and maroon combined dupatta. Okay, so this is the design you have. It's the dupatta is a malmal cotton here. Okay, the measurement is 2 meters for all. Okay, the top, bottom and the dupatta, everything is 2 meters. And the price is 480, shipping extra. So the next one is a pink combination. So this particular border will be coming only in one corner. So if you don't want to keep it in the down, you can keep it on the sleeves as well. Okay, so this is the next one, a pink with black. Okay, you have this kind of a printing in the top and a small blossom printing in the bottom. Okay, and the dupatta is like this. Okay, so this is the design on the dupatta. So this is the next one. It's a pink with black combination. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So along with the screenshot of the image or the picture, okay, whichever is fine. Okay, you can WhatsApp me or you can inbox me. So this is the next one. It's a grey shade. The top is a grey and black together, and the bottom is a black with white color printing. Some small butta kind of printing. And the dupatta like this. Okay, so this is how the next one is looking. Okay, the top, bottom and dupatta, all of them are 2 meters. The top and the bottom is a pure cotton and the dupatta is a malmal cotton. So this is how the dress material will be looking. The cloth quality will be very nice and soft. The printing will come in both the sides. Okay, the top and the front and the back. Okay, both the sides the printing will be coming for the top and the bottom, everything. Okay, so this is the next one. Just a minute. So it's a blue one. Sorry, there is a small printing mistake. Okay, yeah, that is a small printing mistake. Okay, in the end. So this is the dress material. Okay, a small mistake is there. Actually, this will not be sold. Just I will show you, however, because I have already displayed it. Okay, so this is the one. It has a small printing mistake, so I am taking it from the selling. Okay, this will not be sold. So this is the next one. So a brown with red shade one, and this is the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be looking, a red and maroon together. Okay, it's a shade of a light shade of a brown with red. The top and the bottom is pure cotton 2 meters, and the dupatta is a malmal cotton 2 meters. Okay, this is the next one. And I'm moving to the next. All my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. 9150556870 is my number. So this is the next set. Okay, a lined design in the top and the bottom comes with a beach with some bordered designs. Okay, and the dupatta so like this. So this is the next set. All of them are priced at 480 rupees, 480 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So this is the next one. So please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. So this is the next. a bluish grey color with a blood red combination. So this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, so the top, bottom and dupatta, all of them measuring 2 meters. Okay, all of them measuring 2 meters. It's a bluish grey with maroon combination with all printing. The top and the bottom is pure cotton. The dupatta is a malmal cotton. Within Tamil Nadu, the shipping charges is 60 rupees. With rest of India, it's 100 rupees. COD available across India. COD charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per product. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So this is the top. It's a pink with floral designs printed, and it has a purple shaded bottom. Okay, and the dupatta will be like this. Okay, so this is the design you have in the dupatta. So the top is a pink one and the bottom comes with a purple shade, and the dupatta comes with the pink and purple shade together. So this is the next design. This border will be coming in only in one area. So you can, while stitching, you can have it in whichever way you like. And this one, it's a light blue with pink combination. All of them are printed fabric. Okay, the top and the bottom is pure cotton 2 meters, and the dupatta is a malmal cotton 2 meters. Okay, priced at 480 rupees. The quality will be very good. Okay, it's a pure cotton. Okay, it's not like a glaze cotton or something. The fabric is a pure cotton. So this is how the dress material will be looking. A blue with pink. Okay, so this is the last set for today's live. Sorry. So all of them are priced at 480 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. For multiples, you can always check with me. COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees per order. You have to calculate extra. So the shipping charges and processing charges is different in COD. For online, it's just product cost plus total shipping charges. But for COD, it's total charges. Total product charges plus shipping charges plus 100 rupees. Okay, that's how you have to calculate. So like my page for all the real updates. In real updates, I can explain you more details, and also will show you all the complete picture of the product, okay, than the photos. So that's the main idea for our real updates. So like my page, just keep sharing my products and videos as well. So thanks for all your support. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.